So I stumbled upon this new GUI framework for Go called guigui, and it's all done without HTML or JavaScript. Isn't that wild?
Wait, seriously. Pure Go. That's definitely a departure from the usual web development stacks.
Right? I mean, think about it. No more juggling between multiple languages, just go all the way.
That's exciting, but doesn't it limit its usability? I mean, how does it handle all the visual aspects without CSS?
Good point, but apparently it has built-in support for high DPI displays and optimized rendering, so it's not just basic.
Oh, so it can still look sharp on modern screens. That's impressive, especially for a framework in alpha.
Exactly. They also have internationalization support, making it easier to develop apps in multiple languages.
That's pretty progressive, but I wonder how well it performs with rendering. Is there any evidence on that?
They claim efficient rendering with optimized draw calls, but being alpha means we should take that with a grain of salt.
Yeah, alpha versions can be quite unpredictable. Have they established any development policies yet?
Not really just a basic discussion for proposals on new widgets, so it feels a bit unstructured.
That could be a double-edged sword. Flexibility can lead to innovation, but it might also result in chaos.
Totally, it's like trying to build a plane while flying it. You need structure to ensure safety and coherence.
Exactly. And what about the design? The light and dark modes look nice, but do they cater to accessibility?
Great question. I couldn't find much on accessibility features. It might be something they need to consider moving forward.
For sure. If they want broader adoption, they have to think about users with different needs.
Right, and while it's cool, I do wonder if developers will embrace something so different from the typical web approach.
That's a valid concern. Developers are often resistant to change, especially if it means learning new paradigms.
Exactly, but maybe the allure of a pure Go experience will draw some in. It's like a fresh start.
It's a gamble, but if they nail performance and usability, it could really take off.
True, and if they can attract a strong community early on, that could help address some of these concerns.
But wait, if it's in alpha, what happens if major bugs come up? How transparent are they about fixes?
Good point, transparency is crucial, especially in early stage projects. Users need to know what to expect.
Definitely. And without a clear update policy, that could lead to frustration.
So there's a lot of promise, but also a lot of uncertainty. It's like a high-risk, high-reward scenario.
Exactly. It'll be interesting to see how they evolve it. Will they stick to their vision or adapt?
Right, and that adaptability can be key in the tech world. It often determines survival.
And it's fascinating how a seemingly simple idea, like a GUI framework, can open so many discussions, right?
Absolutely, it challenges our assumptions about programming paradigms and development.
So what's the takeaway here? Are we optimistic or skeptical about Gigui's future?
A mix of both, I think. It's intriguing, but there are definitely challenges to navigate.
I agree. It's a fascinating experiment, but we'll have to keep an eye on its evolution.
For sure, it'll be interesting to see how the community reacts and what direction it takes.
And who knows, maybe it'll inspire other frameworks to rethink their approaches too.
Exactly, innovation often comes from shaking things up. Gigui might just be the catalyst.
That's a cool thought. Let's just hope the developers stay engaged and receptive to feedback.
Yes, the journey of Gigui is just beginning, and I'm excited to see where it goes.
Same here, it's like watching a startup unfold, full of potential and promise.
And a bit of uncertainty, which keeps it all interesting. Can't wait for the next updates.
Totally. It's like a front row seat to the future of GUI development with Go.
Exactly, and who knows, we might find ourselves using it for our own projects someday.
That's a possibility. It's all about adapting and leveraging new tools as they come.
Absolutely, so let's keep an eye on Gigui and see how it shapes up in the coming months.
Great idea. I think the real adventure is just beginning for this framework.
Well, I guess we'll have to stay curious and engaged with the discussions around it.
Definitely. Exciting times ahead in the world of Go and GUI development.